your Indian consumer.
Hey consumers, it's me Prasad Vidparak, your Indian consumer, and today we are unboxing this latest attraction, which is the Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge. This is the flagship phone of Samsung in 2015. So first, let's take a closer look at the box, and later we will unbox this product. Now, I had purchased this product on pre-order basis, so you had to pre-order this. This is available for 58,900 here in India, and S6 is available for 49,900. So well, there is a huge difference between the prices of the two, and you're spending extra only for the Edge. So let's take a look what we get inside the box, the overall unboxing experience, and here is the device itself. So first, let's remove the device. Of course, you're spending 9,000 rupees extra for the same hardware, but you're getting a fabulous design. Well, let's keep the mobile phone aside for time being, and let's see what else we get inside the box. So here we have this box, which is not that nice of a material used, because the overall experience is what I'm counting on when I'm spending so much money. Well, that was the warranty card. This is the regional lock guide, and here we have the SAR certification information. Let's take a look at the SAR value. So head 0.169, which is very nice. Quick start guide. Well, this phone is remarkably having a low SAR value, which is very nice. That was the overall documentation, and now let's take a closer look at the headphones. Let's see what kind of headphones do we get along with this cell phone. Here are the extra ear tips, and the headphones also seem to be inspired by their close competitors, you know who, right? And well, they have the tangle free kind of cables, the little glossy silverish material used there, which is again plastic. Here the call, send and end button, the microphone, the volume adjusters, and the 3.5mm jack, which is not gold plated. Well, let's keep it aside for time being and see what else we get. This is the tool to remove the SIM card tray, and here we have the data cable, which can also be used as the charging cable, attaching to the travel adapter. This also resembles the cable that you get along with Apple devices. So Samsung really needs to put their creative people at work. Let's take a look at the travel adapter. This is a 2 ampere adapter, and definitely it will be faster than the other adapters. Now Samsung has made bold claims about this charger charging the phone in 10 minutes for about a talk time of 4 hours, which is again remarkable. So well, that was all you get inside the box. Now let's take a closer look at the device itself. Removing the plastic, and the beautiful beauty, the beast of a cell phone lies there in your hand, and the first impressions are it is simply fabulous. It looks so nice. What Samsung has achieved here using glass and metal is fabulous. The bottom portion here, which resembles completely to the iPhone 6, which is highly uncreative on part of Samsung. The infrared blaster and the SIM card tray, and here on this side you see the power lock and unlock button. So well, the back side of the cell phone, the camera 16 megapixel heart rate monitor. The camera is capable of shooting 2K videos. The back portion, which is completely Gorilla Glass 4 and is a fingerprint magnet. Well, let's power on the device. This is not the first turn on, guys, just to tell you that. The screen, guys, has a PPI of 577 pixels per inch and is a Super AMOLED screen here. The SIM card which this cell phone accepts is a nano SIM. You can see the buttons, the back and the multitasking button are not backlit. The backlit option is available. You can do it from the settings menu. You can double tap the home button and get to the camera directly, and the camera starts within a second, so that is really lightning quick. There you see it. That was really fast, guys. Let's take a look at the multitasking menu. You can close all the applications running in the back. There you see in the quick toggle the settings, which are editable. Now I had seen this in Cyanogen operating system, and it is available in this phone too. Let's take a look at the applications and the RAM usage. So let's see the running applications and how much RAM is being used. So there you see the free RAM is 0.98 GB, which is again very nice. You have around 1 GB of RAM free. Now Samsung has claimed that they have reduced many functions in TouchWiz, and we will observe that later, but let's see the motion gestures first. So these are all the smart features included by Samsung. Talking about smart features, they have removed the air gesture, which is shocking on part of Samsung, but they have seemed to do that. Along with that, they have removed another interesting feature, which was dust and water resistant nature of the cell phones. I feel they should have provided that thing in this cell phone too, but sadly they haven't. Let's see the Edge screen. Now this is the attraction of this cell phone. This is what you'll buy this cell phone for. We'll be reviewing this in detail later. but let's take a look at it quickly. So you can switch it from right to left. That is good even if you're right or left handed. That is how you should start the edge screen. There you can see all your important information, and all the notifications are displayed there. So that saves a lot of battery. That is what Samsung has claimed. Let's see the edge here. Just look at this wonderful effect. The letters seem to roll out of the edge of the screen, which looks really fabulous. You can definitely impress people with this. Well, this is a bold thing which Samsung has been able to achieve with the bent edges which they have designed this cell phone with. Well guys, I'll be also making a comparison video between the iPhone 6 and S6 Edge. So for detailed technical and physical overview of those cell phones side by side, do stay tuned to our channel. I'll also be doing a dedicated camera review for this cell phone. So if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe to my channel. If you have liked this video, do press the thumbs up button. Well, this was Prasad Vedpathak, your Indian consumer, signing off.